Welcome to my YouTube channel where we demonstrate and discuss everything related to theatrical and entertainment production crafts. Please subscribe to get the latest updates, posts, and demonstrations. While I will focus primarily on safety in the shops and comprehensive training and operating procedures for tools and machinery, I'll also demonstrate and discuss practical applications like flat and platform construction, scene painting, and more. If you'd like to see something specific, please let me know in the comments. Once again, please subscribe and power up the alert bell to get the most up-to-date notifications about new content. All right, let's get this put together properly. We hit a knot here. Two feet, 4 feet, 6 feet. Before we do this, let's get ourselves squared. 107, maybe 107 and a quarter. That's what we're going for. 107 and a quarter. Okay, this is the one where we had trouble shooting through the knot hole, so we're going to avoid that knot hole altogether. And I hit it straight up. We're going to start on this side because we were going to do the staggered version with this one anyway, so let's just do that. Some of your staple guns like the Boss Stitch have a lockout where it won't depress the nose if it's out of staples, which is kind of nice because tools that don't have that, you could be dry firing empty staples for hours, minutes, weeks, and not know it until you realize your thing that you're attaching is not attached at all. Jiggle my flat around a little bit, so I'm going to put it in square before I staple these down. Again, 7 1/4. 107. Okay. Tweak. Oh, made it worse. That's better. Okay, since we'll be staggering these, let's find this position. 23 5/8, 47 5/8, 71 5/8. 23 5/8, 47 5/8. 71 5/8. Let's double check that square again. 107 1/4. 107 1/4. Good to go. Now I don't have to toenail because I'm staggering. It's going to be less attractive, but a little bit easier. This is option number 2. Not as attractive as the fully lined up ones, but just as strong. And it would take a lot more force to cause this one to rack. Let's move on to putting facing on these. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more technical theater content.